Experiencing issues with your Verizon Fios TV? The problem usually lies within one of three key components: the set-top box, the coaxial cable, or the optical network terminal. First, power cycle your STB by unplugging it for 30 to 60 seconds. This clears temporary bugs. Next, inspect your coaxial cable connections for looseness or damage, ensuring a secure fit at both the STB and ONT ends. If problems persist, the ONT, which converts optical signals, may be the culprit. Signal integrity is crucial. Weak connections can cause pixelation or black screens. In some cases, extreme weather or power surges can damage the ONT, requiring professional assistance. Aim for a signal strength greater than -20 dBmV. Remember that Verizon plans to phase out coax cables by 2030 in favor of all-fiber Ethernet connections, minimizing interference-prone coaxial lines. Regular firmware updates are crucial. Before diving into hardware diagnostics, try an account refresh. Log into the My Verizon app or website, navigate to TV services, and select Refresh Account. This digital reset resolves billing or account mismatches that can mimic hardware failures, fixing 70% of account-related glitches without technician visits. Verizon's customer service chatbots now handle 80% of basic troubleshooting, reflecting a shift toward AI-driven support. The future of Fios TV points towards integration with streaming platforms via Fios TV Plus bundles, reducing STB dependence. AI diagnostics in the My Verizon app are also cutting resolution times. Predictive maintenance via IoT sensors in ONTs is also emerging, potentially preventing 50% of failures. The service is trending toward hybrid models, blending cable TV with OTT. If issues persist after these steps, it's best to contact Verizon support for further assistance.